In this video, I'll demonstrate how to define and initialize class variables and methods. So I've created an example class called notification. Inside of notification, I have this empty list of items defined, but this is going to cause us a problem. It may not be exactly how we want to do this. If we look in our init function, our double underscore init, we define two class member variables, self.user and self.message, which we set to the user and message that are passed when we create the notification. Then I defined a function called sendMessage, and it just prints message sent to, and then it has placeholders and a .format, self.user, and self.message. So we'll see what's in the message. Now, this isn't a real functional piece of code. If it was, we'd have some way of sending a message maybe by an email message or using the particular user accounts on the system. But for the sake of example, we're just going to print the message is sent to that user, and we'll print the contents of the message. Now, suppose we have notifications where we send a notification, a message to one user, and then we want to change the user and send the same notification to another. So I've defined a change_user function that takes a single parameter user and updates the username. So let's have a look at the example where we create notifications, and we'll do some actions with these notifications. So here I create a notification called N, and I create it with the user Joe, and the message is just the message. And the next notification is called M, and this notification is a notification to Jane, and this text, the message content itself, is just another message. And then I can print N or call N.sendMessage, which will print the details, M.sendMessage, and then I'm going to change the user. So M.change_user. So we're going to change this user to Bob, so from Jane to Bob, and then it will call M.sendMessage again to see the difference. Now here's the problem with items. So I print M.items, and it will print something. So this is a valid reference. And then I append something to it, m.items.append, and I just append the text some item. But what about n's items? So if I print n items ? And I print the string representation of n.items, it will actually contain something, which is probably not what we wanted when we're adding it to m. So let me tab over to my terminal window, and I'll run the code so you can see what happens here. So you can see the message sent to Joe, the message sent to Jane, another message.